So today we're going to teach you how to do some maintenance to your garage doors so that they last you longer. First off, we want to do a regular cleaning of the weather stripping around the door. As you can see, it gets a buildup of dirt, dries out, the sun beats on it all day long. We're going to use a silicone-based lubricant to wipe these down with. And the reason we use silicone is because petroleum products such as WD-40 will ruin the elasticity of the rubber and it won't last as long. Outside of your garage door, to maintain that in its best fashion, is recommended to use wax cleaner like you would on a vehicle, so a car wax cleaner, and just scrub down your door every couple of months. It keeps it in good shape, protects the paint, and allows it to last a lot longer. Hey, again, silicone lubricant. We're going to use the same stuff, and we're going to lubricate all the moving parts on the door so that they don't wear out. In these bearings, there's a wheel in here, and there's a bearing in the wheel itself, but then you also have a shaft that runs through this shackle, and that also has some wear and tear, so you're going to lubricate both that, the wheel, as well as this is a hinge. So you got metal and metal rubbing here. So as you're going to go around, you're going to lubricate all those areas. This is a nice little spray. Add some when you do the wheels, do this track as well. Anywhere that you got moving parts. It's a nice clean spray, so you don't have to worry about too much mess afterwards. And it prolongs the use of all the metal parts. Otherwise, this stuff wears out, and down the road you'll be calling a service guy to get it repaired.